Nowadays, social networks are the best communication tool. LinkedIn, one of the best social networks for business, is available in 42 languages. However, LinkedIn can't be used in Catalan. Why not offer 18 million people the opportunity of using LinkedIn in Catalan? Catalan is one of the most used languages in business, one of the most spoken in the European Union, and quite frequently used in blogs. It has more speakers than other languages, like Finnish, Danish, or Norwegian. Catalan is an official language of 2 countries and spoken in 4 countries in Europe. Catalan is the language of Catalonia, and its capital city, Barcelona, is the 6th city in the world with the best brand image, one of the best cities to work and develop new business in, and the 4th most creative city, according to the survey on the Barcelona city brand. Even so, it is not available on LinkedIn. A lot of world companies have incorporated Catalan and have introduced the language into their websites. And by the way, do you know that 6 out of 7 of the most used social networks provide their interfaces in Catalan? Having LinkedIn in Catalan will provide an advantage for the end user and a real business opportunity for the social network, allowing communication with the Catalan-speaking community, a big and active community, using their own language, naturally and normally. LinkedIn would be better utilized if its users had the chance to create their own profile in Catalan. In Catalonia, 70% of the workers use Catalan in the office every day, and 75% of companies check for Catalan when hiring. Catalan is the 17th language found in articles on Wikipedia. It also has its own internet domain, .cat, the first linguistic and cultural domain in the world, with a 20% increase every year, a quality domain that identifies the Catalan community. We believe that LinkedIn in Catalan will lead to a real head start for the social network because it will arrive directly to many active people, the Catalan community. Join the campaign LinkedIn Catalan and help us ask for the incorporation of the Catalan language in the social business network. The best option for easy business? Be linked in Catalan.